Hi, it's Mary with Premier Face and Bodywork, talking about chemical peels and the different types of chemical peels, light peels, and a medium depth peel. So there's glycolic, lactic, salicylic, mandelic, all depending on what the strength and the pH. The higher the strength, the percentage, and then the lower the pH will make it stronger. Now, whether it's an alpha hydroxy or a beta hydroxy will determine what it targets, what it's best for. Alpha hydroxy acid, it works by breaking down that little bond that holds dead skin cells together, and that way it sloughs off the dead skin. A beta hydroxy works by eating away dead skin cells, very similar to an enzyme, but a little more aggressive. So a glycolic, lactic, mandelic, those are all alpha hydroxy acids. And salicylic is a beta hydroxy. Salicylic is typically known for treating acne-prone skin, but you'll find it sometimes in ingredients in products for anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, but typically you'll see it for acne. Now the medium depth peel, TCA, which is trichloroacetic acid, or Jessner, which is a blend of resurface, lactic, and salicylic. Now both of those you're going to see about a week of downtime, somewhere between 5 and 8 days. The first 2 days, you're going to notice your skin get really tight and dry, and it's going to pull that excess pigment to the surface. Then it's going to start to peel away. Starts around the mouth area, it works its way out, and it does take several days for the peeling to complete. I recommend coming in for just a quick follow-up facial, approximately 7 to 14 days after. That's a chance to do a little more and treat the skin a little more. It's brand new, fresh skin, so you need to protect it. And by doing like an oxygen treatment or a mask to stabilize and help treat, vitamin C brightening is great, or intense therapy. So there's several different ways to treat. We customize everything, so it matters on what your individual needs are, basically. So if you have more questions or want more information, just text or call 407-592-9422 or go to our website, premierfaceandbodywork.com.